A restaurant owner buys white wine and rosé from Kookaburra Wines in the ratio 5:2. She purchased 1,080 bottles of rosé in each quarter of 2017. If she stopped buying produce from Kookaburra Wines at the end of the second quarter, what would have been the percentage decrease in sales of bottles of wine from Q2 to Q3? First, let's look at the ratio here. That's white wine and rosé in the ratio 5:2. We're told that 1,080 bottles of rosé were made, and we have a total number of parts of 7 parts. That's just the total bottles of wine. We want to know how many bottles of wine are purchased per quarter by her. So first let's take this one and figure out what one share is. So 1 part, if 1,080 is worth 2 parts, that's 1,080 is worth 2 parts, we can divide it by 2 to find 1 part, which is 540. Now, if we want to know the whole, which is 7 parts, we can take 540 and multiply by 7, which gives a total of 3,780 bottles. Now that we know the total number of bottles purchased per quarter by her, we can remove those from the Q3 total, since the question says if she stopped buying at the end of the second quarter. First, let's find the Q3 total. That's the total number of bottles of wine, so all these three added up together, which is a total of 47,000. Now let's find it without her bottles, so we'll take away that from the total, which gives us a new total of 43,220 bottles. We want to calculate the percentage decrease in sales from Q2 to Q3. We've got our new sales for Q3, but we need the Q2 sales, and that's just the total of these numbers here, which is 54,000 bottles. Let's calculate the percentage decrease. This is the new value here. So 43,220, subtract the old value, divided by the old value, and multiply by 100, which is negative 20%, a 20% decrease.